Hi friends, we're here at my house and today I thought we would go outside and have a little bubble fun together. So I have my mixture that we made the other day. Remember what it was made with? I'll tell you again. It was 8 cups of water. That's the 8 cups. It had a half cup of dish soap. We used the Blue Dawn, and then it had a tablespoon of corn syrup and a tablespoon of baking powder. And now I wanted to do some fun, make some fun bubble makers with you. So I think the first thing that I'm going to do is to make the most simple one. Using some materials that I have a pipe cleaner. So I'm just gonna make like, almost looks like a letter. I'm going to bend our pipe cleaner, and then I'm gonna wrap the little end to make kind of a circle shape. Now, I use this part as the handle. If you have something like a stick or something else, you could wrap this to a stick and make it a different kind of handle. Or you might want to decorate it and put some beads on there to make it a little fancy. I am going to use this one just like this to see if I can try it out. Dipping it in my solution. Let's see. Let me try again. Wow, that was a really big bubble. Do you like blowing bubbles? Let's see. There goes another one. Now that we have the most simple one, now I thought maybe it would be a fun idea to do something a little more complex. I have some recycled materials. Actually, I have the water here, and I'm gonna feed my plants with some water. It's just a water bottle I've reused. So now I'm going to cut the end off the water bottle. So you might need a little help. Once it gets started to cut around the bottom, you can probably do it yourself. So now I have an empty water bottle with the end cut off. And here I have, this is just mesh. This is material, I'll come closer so you can see it. So it's just mesh. This actually had onions in it, but you might get some of this with some citrus if you buy a bag of citrus, or maybe avocados. Sometimes my avocados come in those. So I'm going to cut off, and now it's just empty like that. And I'm going to take it, put it on the bottom, and I probably can cut it a little smaller too. I don't need a whole lot of it. I'm gonna cut it just so I have enough. Oops. Just so that I have enough to cover the bottom of my container. I'm gonna keep it though, because I might want to do something else with that piece. So I'm gonna put it on the bottom of my container, just so. And I need something to hold it in place. So I have some tape. You have some duct tape, that would work. And I'm just going to tape the mesh onto the bottom of my bottle. And there you have it. Now I'm going to dip it in. Don't really need it that high. I'm going to take some of my mixture and put it in here. So I'm going to dip it in the bottom. And now, look at how many bubbles we made. We have made a super bubble maker. really fun. I want to try a different way. Again, same thing. I have an empty water bottle. I'm going to cut the bottom. I'm going to take the cap off. And this time, instead, I'm going to use a sock. Yep, I have another sock that has no match anymore. I don't know where they go. And I'm going to put it on my bottle. Just cover up the bottom. And to keep it on there, I'm going to use a rubber band. So here's my rubber band, and I just put it right around the bottom. Now, what do you think is going to happen when we blow through this one? Do you think we'll get bubbles? Let's see. I'm dipping it in the solution and blowing. Look at that! We made a bubble snake this time. Ready? That is a really long one, and the bubbles are teeny tiny. That was a lot of fun. So thanks for making some recycled bubble makers with me, and we're gonna try another one in just a little while. See you soon.